we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
Hold each other.
So today we celebrated World Farmed Animal Day. Now the children did quite a lot of activities and they even had the opportunity to connect with some of the farm animals here at the Greenfingers Wildlife Sanctuary. It was fun, it was educative, and it was an exciting day for every single one of them. From story time to handcrafted activities and connecting with the animals, we believe the children had a wonderful experience. Happy World Farmed Animal Day.
Baby shark do-do-do-do-do, baby shark do-do-do-do-do, baby shark do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Mommy shark do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark do-do-do-do-do, daddy shark do-do-do-do.